How do I change the color of my architectural lighting on my Gemstone Lights Hub 2? Well, let's come on in and see. So you're going to open up your Gemstone Lights app. Underneath devices, it'll say whatever yours is named. In my case, it's Showroom. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now, to create an architectural pattern with a different color instead of the built-in warm whites or bright whites, it's super easy. So first you're going to go to a folder where you want this custom pattern to live. In another video, I showed you how to create a folder. And in this case, it says AA Captains. That's my custom folder. So anything I make, I'm going to keep in there. So I'm going to tap on AA Custom or Captains. And now I'm going to click Create a Pattern. When you come into Create a Pattern, you can name it. And in this case, let's do it Valentine's Architectural. Well, I can't spell, so we're going to just leave it as arch. Okay. Then we have pattern colors. So if we click this, you can see it has one box right now, and it shows it as blue. In the right hand, you see it. There's a plus sign and a garbage can. Click the plus. So here you can click this a bunch of different times if you need a bunch of different colors. In our case, we really don't. So what we want to do is I'm going to do it one at a time. So I want it to be pink on the first light, and then we know that to do our architectural patterns, we need some off. So I'm gonna do two off. So I got pink, and then for the second color, I'm gonna choose black. I'm gonna click that third box, choose black, and then this fourth box, because I want it pink and then red for architectural. Now I'm gonna choose red, and I'm gonna click the plus sign again, turn this one to black, do one more. So now on the house, this would display as pink, light off, red, light off, pink, light off, red, light off, pink, and so on and so forth. So this is how you would create a colored architectural pattern for your house with the Gemstone Lights app. I'm going to go ahead and click done, and now this is done. And I'm going to keep it as animation motionless because it's architectural pattern and we don't want it to be moving. And that's it. And I'm just going to, up in the upper right hand corner here, I'm going to click save. And now I have a Valentine's Day architectural pattern with pink and red.